Okay, I did some work to my power supply and I'm making pretty good progress. However, I got this really weird bug glitch thing I'd like to show and possibly find out what's causing it. I'm thinking this power supply was before. I remember seeing someone on the forum saying that that the older ones didn't have the load pre-built into them. The newer ones have like some sort of load in them already. But I'm thinking that's what's causing this little bug. I got it plugged in here. Mind the garbage here. That's what was originally in it. I gotta clean that out. And here's what the inside looks like. This power supply. The really weird thing is that when the I don't think that's a transformer. I think they're using it as just an inductor because it's only got 2 lines going to it. It's really strange. I got the fan kind of screwed to a little bolt that comes out of the bottom of the case here. I got it screwed to that. Got this little bus bar here where all the wires connect to. They come through the hole here. They get routed to my rotary switch, which in turn goes down here to the these 2 ports. Other than that, I got the switch over here and this connected to the ground. Other than that, all this other stuff, except for the voltage, which you can actually see is turned on. However, the bug is when I go to switch from one voltage to another, it drops out. Like it completely does some sort of like safety feature thing and turns itself completely off. Or the fan can like do things it shouldn't be doing. Anyway, let's change it from, now we're currently on 3.3 volts. Let's change it to 5. It completely shuts off. You can see the fan stop spinning there. However, I come up here. I got that switch is rotated. I got to switch it around. Turn it back on. It turns right back on. I have no clue what's causing that. It's really strange. Change it from 5 to 12. Same thing. Boom, turns off. Off, on. Working just fine. Oh, I changed the range on the meter there. There we go. There's 12 volts. I don't know. It's a really weird bug. This is phase 1 basically. I'm actually going to be doing a lot more things to this thing. I plan on getting the variac right here, put back in its original place right there, and building my own little homemade power supply, if you will, and running that right off of 120 so I can have 120 DC on this thing, which would be, I admit, fun. And for this side over here, I actually plan on buying just a variable like $20 power supply kit and throwing it on, on the wall right here and having that plugged in right here so I can have 3 completely independent power supplies in one whole unit here. But how I'm going to get all that working on that voltage meter is going to be a little tricky. And I get the whole pleasure of trying to put 3 switches over there. And I don't know, I'm thinking about just leaving this one unfused for higher wattage things like HHO generators, stuff like that. I think that one I'm going to fuse, and the other one I'm definitely going to fuse for stuff I want to keep safe, stuff a little sensitive, lightsaber LEDs and such. Anyway, that's the progress of my power supply. I'd say it's coming together pretty well, and for not spending anything other than what I spent on tools, this is a pretty good turnout. Hope you guys enjoyed.